Happy birthday, Vince. Sana lumaki kang mabait, marunong gumalang sa matatanda. Happy birthday, I love you.
I wish that Vince will become a good boy, and to your parents, and to your Lola and others. We love you much.
We wholeheartedly believe that children are a gift from God, and as parents, the stewardship of that gift carries great joy and responsibility.
In this moment now I pray, and I vow to you this.
Malaking biyaya na maging magulang at pagkatiwalaan ng Panginoon na magkaroon talaga ng anak. And today, this should be your day of celebration as well, kasi you have decided to put God first, no, in the life of your son, Vince.
I dedicate myself to train and love them like you do. I will do my part. I will.
Calvin Chase Dungo Rivera, bilang lingkod ng ating Panginoon, inihandog kita sa Diyos na manlilikha, tagapagligtas, pinagmumulan ng buhay, tagapangalaga, manggagamot, Panginoon at manunubos nating lahat. Sa pangalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Banal na Espiritu. Amen.
I got this feeling of fire inside. Watch me reach up, pull the sun from the sky. I'm all done waiting for life to arrive. I'm gonna make today mine.
Vince, happy birthday, baby. You know how much I love you. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos.
Watch me reach up, pull the sun from the sky. I'm all done waiting for life to arrive. I'm gonna make today mine.
Birthday po, nawa ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, malayo sa karamdaman, para ikaw ay lumaking masigla ang pangangatawan. I love you.
I got this feeling of fire inside. Watch me reach up, pull the sun from the sky. I'm all done waiting for life.
Sana lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos, pagmahal sa magulang.
Make today mine.
Happy birthday, Vince. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Sana may takot ka rin sa akin. Sana huwag kang maging pasaway sa amin ni Mama. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, anak. I wish you all the best. You have no idea how much you've changed my life or our lives. We will make sure that we will always be here for you, and we will love you the best way we know how. I love you, anak. God bless you always.
Vince, happy birthday. Mabay sasabihin ko. Love you.